Hi beautiful people, it's Kiara. Welcome back to my channel. Now if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, guys. If you're not, welcome back. So today is going to be a real quick video. Just let you know, this is a disclaimer. I am not a pro at all when it comes to makeup. I just love messing with it. So let's get to it.
And this is me, as you can see, playing around, being funny, and all that good stuff because I like to play.
So right here, I've already done my brows, and I have some marks on my forehead. Ignore that. I'm gonna put some Black Radiance primer on. Just smooth that into my skin. Tap, tap, tappity tap. So I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Concealer and the color Chestnut and do a sort of color correcting with it. I don't use the orange or the peach shade only because I don't have a lot of discoloration. I have a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So what I do is just pick up any concealer in my shade and just do a little correcting. But I found that this concealer has a lot of coverage, guys. So if you guys looking for a lot of coverage, pick this up. You can actually just use it as a foundation. So right here, I'm actually using my favorite foundation. It's the CoverGirl True Blend. So I always get questions on this foundation. It is bomb.com. It has amazing coverage. It makes your skin look super flawless, like you don't have anything on, like super natural. It's bomb.com. And I'm in a shade D40 just in case you guys didn't get that. So I'm taking Fawn and just highlighting pretty much. And I'm gonna blend this bad boy out. Just blend it out. The key to flawless skin-like, foundation is pretty much blending. It's simple, just blend.
Blend until your arm starts hurting, girl. Blend until, your fingers start falling off. Just blend. You know what I'm saying? Just blend.
I'm gonna take my Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer. That's a long name, guys. I don't even know why I mess with it, really, but that's a long freaking name. So I'm gonna take this light concealer and put that underneath my eyes. And the reason why I do that is because I want a more brighter effect underneath my eyes to give me a more of awakeness. I don't even know if that makes sense, but you guys get it. So I'm just gonna set that with some banana powder, and that is from Black Radiance. And I don't even know if I mentioned this, but the Maybelline Better Skin, I don't even know what that's called, but the foundation was bomb.com. I don't even know if they even carry that anymore. I don't know if it's discontinued, but Maybelline needs to bring that mess back, because that used to be my jam. That used to be my jam. I used to get compliments like all day, every day. Like even the same person used to compliment me. I'm
like, whoa, you just complimented me, but thank you.
Now it is contouring time. We do not want to go up in these streets looking like a flat face, okay? We do not want to do flat face on them, okay? So we're going to have to contour. We're going to put some shape back into the face. So that's what I'm doing right here with the Anastasia Cream Kit in medium. And guys, I'm addicted now. I'm addicted. I'm for it. I love it. A good nose contour. I just love it. So that's what I'm doing right now, a nose contour, because I just love it. I'm addicted to it. It's my thing now. It's my jammy jam. Oh yeah, and what I've noticed about cream contours, guys, you have to blend the heck out of this mess. You have to blend so hard. Like I blend my hardest with these cream contours. I don't know if y'all have this issue, but your girl does, and I blend so hard with this. Now I don't blend that much with all the other stuff, but yeah, I have to work hard for this for the contour to bring some shape and some color back to my face. Okay, with that same banana powder, I'm just gonna chisel. And what I mean by that, I'm just putting, what do I mean? What does chisel actually mean, y'all? What does that mean? It's just like putting cheekbones. I'm just giving myself some cheekbones. How about that? We just gonna leave it at that. I'm just, making myself some cheekbones. I told you I'm not a pro. I'm trying to make it sound good, but I'm just not a pro, okay? I try to make my face look good, make it sound good, but I'm not a pro. And right here, I'm just adding some mascara to my brows, making them more defined and darker. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder and the color 360. And I'm this shade and also the one below it, which is a 355, if I'm not mistaken. And now I'm just going to prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. And this is the fawn color I used previously. Now, I do not remember which eyeshadow color I use, but since I'm going for a natural look, I'm just going with a natural brown shade.
Shining, shining, shining.
Now I'm going to take my highlight color and highlight the inner corners of my eyes. With that same highlight, I'm highlighting the tip of my nose and the bridge as well, making sure I'm just shining, I'm glowing, I'm blinding folks. You know, that's what I want. That's what we all just strive to do. We just strive to blind folks with our highlight. That's all we want to do in life. It's just stunt and highlight and blind folks with the highlight. Gonna go in with the blush and, you know, do what blushes do, you know, blush. That's about it, right? And this, guys, I don't know what in the world was happening when I made this. This is not the correct way to highlight, as you can see. Not the way. You see that? It's not the way. Not the way. Right here, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray and set that and, you know, make it stay, make it stick. You know what I'm saying? And as you can see, I applied these lashes off camera because I don't want you guys to laugh at me, you know, me trying to apply lashes. And I've already done my bottom lashes too. So if you guys want a video on that and you guys want to laugh, you know, I'll go ahead and do that, you know. But right now, we're going to keep this video pretty serious, okay? No laughing involved. So I'm going to stick with the natural concept, adding color to my lips. Don't remember which color this is, but it's natural. I just want a natural lip and just pop on some gloss. My dog is over here trying to lick me in my ear. I don't know what he's trying to do. But that's it, guys. This is the completed look. Natural, flawless, everyday look. You know, stun up on them in these streets. Just doing you, being happy, be joy. You know, just rock it. You know what I'm saying? Natural look, flawless, skin tight, glowing, all that good stuff. So, yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for sticking with me. If you guys have any questions, pop them down below. But other than that, that is it. Thank you guys again. And until next time, mwah, love you guys. Bye.